Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix ZArchiver's access denied issue and at the stuck at 100% problem when you try to copy or move files on Android. So let's solve this step by step. So first you need to check the file permissions. You can go to the settings on your phone. So click on the settings and here, and then scroll down until you find the app setting, this one. Find the ZArchiver application and click on the permissions in here. And then you need to make sure here the files and media permission is set to allow access to all files. As you guys can see, you can click on these options in here and change it into access to all files. And after that, you can turn off the scoop storage if available. So in some Android versions like Android 13 Plus, ZArchiver uses scope storage which limit folder access. So you can just open the ZArchiver and then go to settings. In here you can click on the three dots icon and go to settings and find the file access mode, and then you can just select the system picker. So this will allow you to manually select folders for full access. And next, grant folder access manually. So inside the ZArchiver, you can go to the folder where you want to copy the files, for example this one, and then you can just tap on the three dots icon, go to the properties and find access, and you can just grant permission by tapping use this folder. And now the ZArchiver will have full write access. And if you face the fix stuck at 100% problem, so if the ZArchiver gets stuck when copying 100% but not finishing, you can just clear the cache of the ZArchiver. So go back to the settings and here clear the cache by going to the storage and cache, tap on the clear cache option, and don't minimize or lock screen while copying. You can also try using ZArchiver beta versions because it's more stable. So that's how you can fix the ZArchiver access denied and stuck at 100% when copying files. If this helped, drop a like, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.